getting this in the kind of the back end of the process here, but this is the 79 Camaro Z28 we're about to paint tomorrow. Yep, we're gonna use implement paint. Yep, tractor paint, you heard it. Like it, love it, don't care. She's gonna be painted. She's gonna be shiny. Painting it shiny.
Painting it shiny.
We call this car Tech the Tractor. Tech the Tractor Z.
Tractor Z.
Stay tuned for more tomorrow. We got to back her out here, boy. Back her out now. Back this thing out. You can't see nothing. Uh-oh. Back this thing out so we can get her warmed up. Get the paint on today, boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good. Yeah, that's good. That is a spotted car like I've ever seen.
Yeah, boy. No, Nico. Man.
Boy, this is what we're using to paint car today. Everybody knows you use tractor paint.
That's the implement
Hey,
Camaro.
how you think it's gonna go?
It's white. It's all white. It's all right and all white, and it may sound like a John Deere, but just don't look too close. At 70 mile an hour down the highway, with me waving at you, you won't even notice the runs in the paint. But it is a heavier car. It'll handle better, stability will be better, because we got about almost a gallon of paint on it.
First going on. Don't miss any spots. Tractor paint car. Tractor paint car. This is a great test spot, right? To mess it up.
Yeah.
Oh no. Test everybody on this video.
Try a good push yourself, dude. Put those switches on. There you go.
Hey, y'all want to know how to paint a door bumper? That's how you do it right. That's how you do it right there.
You just fill it up, boys.
I mean, it doesn't get much smoother than that right there.
You know what you do? Just hit it. Keep on hitting it. Tractor paint will help you every time.
Except for the old shotgun.
We got soap
Get your
that
back
we
to
noticed that the better the soap, the less it like suds up. Doesn't have detergent in it. Get it. Get it. Better get it. You don't even know what's happening, Mike.
Get it, Tucker. Get it, Tuck. Get it. Get it, Tucker.
Get it, Tuck.
Get it.
Get that little Tuck.
Get that old Tucker. Get it. Get it, Tuck.
Almost got the stuff going. Don't you? What you doing? Water snakes on him.
So far, this this paint job.
Boy, there's some on the ground that's running so far.
So far, this paint job's turning out real good.
You know what, though? This is what we don't want. No black eyes.
Just fill it up. Just
I told you.
fill
What
it
do we
up.
do? Fill it with paint. Just fill, we got a gallon. So just keep filling it up with paint, and eventually you won't have any more fish eyes. That's that tractor paint you just filled up.
Yep.
Them little dip, remember them little, just keep filling it up.
I mean, they don't.
Look at that run.
Right here, this here's how you do it, boys. Y'all want to paint a car? This right here. This right here is how you
keep
do it.
mixing
Look
it.
at that.
The more coat you put on, the shinier she gets. Look at that, just keep on slathering it on.
Yeah, you fill those holes in the paint, eventually it'll fill up.
Yep. We don't know what we're wrong, but we know what to do right.
We're gonna pull this out for the first time. Clear out the sun, see how good of a job we did. Done crapped on it overnight. Look at those runs. I've never seen runs so good. Best runs I've ever seen.
If you ain't running, you ain't winning.
Yep.
Running is winning.
Honestly, it's the best paint job I've ever done.
If you look at this spot right here, it's beautiful. That's what sandpaper's made for. All right, man, here she is, sitting outside, nowhere near perfect. I mean, there's a lot of stuff on this car that could be done better. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Inside needs to be vacuumed and stuff, but not too bad. Coming along, got all the stickers on. And there you go.